morning, girls. Am
Good
I
morning,
audible?
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so let's continue from where we left yesterday. So we finished the channel strategy, and today we'll start with the next topic, which is marketing management and agriculture products. The ever increasing importance of customers in the field of business has given rise to a new thought in the business, which is termed as marketing concept. According to Wakefield, the marketing concept is a philosophy of business which emphasizes making reasonable profits through customer satisfaction. It happily accepts the sovereignty of the customer. Generally, marketing refers to the purchase and sale of goods, but marketing experts also consider social responsibility to be the main function of marketing. By creating marketing concepts through the marketing concept, we can earn a fair profit by providing the customers the ultimate satisfaction. Okay, so marketing has been defined in various ways by various experts. Okay, everybody has given their own thought about marketing. Some say it is a way to satisfy the customers while simultaneously earn profits. Okay, some say that it is a way to introduce the customers to the existing products in the market. Okay, so marketing basically is connecting the customers with the products available. Characteristics of marketing management: first is center of marketing. Marketing management is the essence and focal point of all marketing activities. Business philosophy: the very existence of business is based on a strong marketing system. Marketing is take for example the Bajaj Group. This group manufactures very few products on its own. Most of the products are procured from other manufacturers, but due to its strong marketing system, it has established market control. So, according to business philosophy, marketing is the center of all business activities, plus it is based the existence of a good brand or a good company or a good product exists from the point of view of good marketing activity. If we market the goods properly, only then will the customers be able to know about my product and be connected, aware of the products available. Okay, then integrated marketing. Integrated marketing system is an important basis and element of modern ideology. Under this, various departments of the institution are concerned with the marketing department. So integrated means, as we discussed, as we have been discussing, focal point means the center point where most of the activities are located or done. Okay, so when we talk about integrated marketing, we say that all the activities in a business organization are connected with marketing. Okay, like we discussed that from the conceptualization of the product to production to the advertising, promotion, the sale of the product, even after sale services, feedback, all these things are connected with marketing. Okay, so marketing is an activity which connects all these activities. Okay, here marketing enables us to um, remember that whatever activities we perform in the organization have to be done with the ultimate customer in mind. Then, fair benefit. The marketing concept emphasizes that only reasonable profits of the producer or producer should be earned. If he insists on making more profits, he may have to drop the shutter of his business in a few days. Matlab, the producer cannot create or think of the society or the customers as just an earning medium. Okay, they cannot charge any kind of prices. They have to be considerate about how much price would be justifiable in the market. Okay, so according to the cost, according to the quality of the product, according to what the usability of the product is, they can offer the or offer to earn the profits. Okay, they should not be of this thought that they should earn as much profit as they can from the producer, from the customer, because if that is the mindset or that is the thought process about behind earning profits, the business will not last for very long. Okay, so they have to be considerate about the customers or abilities to pay. Then, profit through satisfaction. So the marketing concept makes profit from the desire of the consumer. First, consumer satisfaction. Second is the profit. If the customer is satisfied, then he is also ready to give more value to the product with pleasure. Okay, so unless and until the producer focuses on providing or conveying satisfaction or delivering satisfaction to the customer, they will not be able to connect with the customers, and ultimately in the long run they will not be able to earn the profits. Okay, so first, customer satisfaction should be the first objective, and the second objective should be profit earning. Then, multi-concept. Marketing concept is an extrovert concept. It is not accepted by the available resources and products of the organization. So multi-concept means it is not only related to the activities or the resources existing inside the organization, but also involves associating with the external environment. Okay, like the customers, the society, the political environment, then the business fluctuations from time to time. All these also impact the marketing activities. Okay, taste and preferences, seasonality. Okay, then more comprehensive than sales. The marketing concept is a broader broader view than sales. If seen, sales are a part of marketing. So this also we have already discussed, that marketing is involved or is concerned with each and every activity in the organization, but sale is only a part of marketing. Okay, so we perform the marketing activities in order to achieve the sale of the product, but it does not start or end with sale. Okay, it starts with conceptualizing the product and it never ends. Okay, even continues after the sale of the product, because we take the customer feedback, we even perform in some cases after sales services. Okay, so it is more comprehensive than sales. Then, market information. According to the marketing concept, the work of marketing starts before the product is done. The product or producer makes a comprehensive study of the market conditions and customer interest, fashion, region, desires, cost, existing competitive product, etc. before producing the product. So market information is required in order to decide what product should we be producing and what should be the qualities or features that we should incorporate in our products that we are offering to the market. Unless and until the product is a little differentiated or possesses something that the other products do not, it will not be able to survive extraordinarily well. Okay, every company establishes itself with the motive that they should have the maximum market share. So to establish the maximum market share, to receive the maximum market share, we have to consider these aspects of the market, existing market conditions like customer interest, fashion, region, desires, cost, existing competitive product, etc. Okay. Then production according to needs. This concept assumes that every institution should do the production keeping in mind the need and desires of the customer. According to Stoughton and his co-authors, all planning and operations must be customer oriented. So production according to needs refers to that the producer should produce or conceptualize or create the product only based on customers' needs and wants, what the customer requires, what the customer desires to buy. That should be the most main point of creating or conceptualizing the product. Okay, that is why we start marketing activities right from the conceptualization stage. Okay, so this concept assumes that every institution should do the production keeping in mind the needs and desires of the customers. Then last point is customer oriented. So marketing concept is customer oriented, that is it considers customer as the focal point or the main point. It emphasizes on marketing program that protect the interest of customers and provide them maximum satisfaction. So we should consider that and we should realize and appreciate this fact that customers are the ultimate reason for our existence. If there are no customers, no business would exist in the market. Okay, do you agree with this point that customers are the main reason of existing of any business? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Because if there are no customers present, no one will be able to buy my product, which will not initiate any kind of sales. अब जब sales नहीं है तो obviously we will not be able to earn anything, and sales is the only way a business gets inflow of funds. Okay, there are a lot of sources of outflow of funds, but for inflow of funds in the business there is only sale of the product. Okay, so customers have to be the main objective, the main orientation point from which from the viewpoint of which we should create the product. Okay, then next, differences between traditional and modern concept of marketing. So what has been differentiated, what new things have been introduced, and what were in the traditional marketing concepts. Okay, so we'll see one by one. So first is spirit of social responsibility. The modern concept of marketing emphasizes the spirit and sense of responsibility towards the society. Conversely, the traditional or old concept of marketing involves the sales attitude seller's attitude towards society. There is no place for feelings of appropriateness. So when we say the spirit of social responsibility, earlier social responsibility was not actually a real thing that the producers need to be concerned with. Okay, social responsibility is that every consumer must realize that they are existing, or their existence depends on the society. They earn from the society, they operate for the society. Okay, so they should from time to time realize that they should give something back to the society as well. That is why the concept of CSR has developed. CSR is corporate social responsibility, in which every year all the companies have to perform some activities that gives them some benefits from the point of view of the government schemes, etc., in which they should offer some services or something to the society which does not help them in earning profits. Like some companies organize blood donation camps, they organize medical camps. Okay, distribute free stationery or food or clothes to the poor children. Okay, they some big companies also establish schools and hospitals for the poor and rural areas. Okay, so this can be the spirit of social responsibility. This has taken hold of the producer in the recent years. Okay, traditionally social responsibility was not important from the point of view of marketing. Recently you may have even seen the ads that some companies advertise from the point of view of creating awareness about social evils. Okay, like Biba has recently launched an advertisement in which they talk about how females have been physically abused or without the consent, how in society there are problems in their survival. Okay, so you should watch that ad. I'll try and show it to you if I can. 1 second. So they basically are talking about gender equality. Okay, but does talking about gender equality or creating a video about gender equality give them any kind of benefit? It may give them any kind of benefit in the long run when people realize that yes, this brand stands for something bigger than just earning profits. Okay, so that is the mindset that a brand should be targeting towards. Okay, so Dove also does these kind of ads from time to time where they talk about awareness about women health. Okay, then what women want, all these things. Time to time these things are marketed by the marketers, by the producers. Okay, so this is part of their social responsibility. Okay, so that is the first difference between traditional and modern concept of marketing. Then consumer sovereignty. The modern concept of marketers believe in consumer sovereignty. Now sovereignty means the ultimate power resides in consumers' hands. In contrast, the old concept of marketing emphasizes the sovereignty of the producer. Okay, so in older or traditional marketing, we considered that the producer has the ultimate upper hand or ultimate power from the point of view of producing the product. Okay, but in the modern marketing concept, it has been realized that actually the power resides in the consumer's hands. The consumer is the ultimate decider whether they want to purchase your product or the competitor's product. Okay. Then next is buyer or sellers be aware. The modern concept of marketing follows the principle of beware the seller. Conversely, the old concept of marketing follows the principle of beware, buyers beware. So traditionally we used to not be worried as producers. If we are producers, then producers were not worried about what they should not be doing, okay, what they should be avoiding, okay. But in recent times, the sellers have to be more conscious about what products they are offering in the market as compared to the traditional marketing concepts, because now customers have become more aware of what is good for them, what products, what ingredients, what are the tactics or loopholes that these sellers use in order to fool the customers. Okay, so customers are becoming more and more aware of it. So that is why the sellers have to be very aware about what ingredients and what processes they are using to produce their products. Earlier it was not so. The customers would buy whatever was offered to them in the market, and they did not actually have a lot of power with them in order to act against any kind of problem that they face in consuming the product. Like recently, in the last 10-15 years, you may have seen a lot of cases have been filed in order to complain against some products or some kind of misbehavior or wrong product being offered in the market, because of which the companies had to suffer a lot of losses. Okay, the consumer court, that is we were talking about, the consumer court has to be very decisive in order to hold the upper hand, that yes, customer is more important and you cannot fool the customer. Okay, but earlier it was not so difficult for them. Okay, so we'll stop here, and from here on we'll continue tomorrow. Okay.